What's up everybody, StevoFS here. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. Thank you very much for asking. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome as always. Well, today, if you don't care about how I put this on, I'm not going to show you how, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about it because that's some people asking about cutting it to get the Senas on. At least these versions, the 20S and the 20S Evo, and anything that's like this, the ones that stick on the sides, probably don't have to worry about. But this one, I'm gonna tell you because I've had a lot of people ask, and I figure I'd just go ahead and make a short little video. So if you don't care about that, go ahead and click off right now. But first, hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. I love you. All right, so let's get into it. So I have the Icon, I almost said the variant, Airflite Helmet, and I will show you now what the question is and why people are asking. And the only reason also I'm doing this because I have to run some new mics I got in, and then I have this old version. It's a 3, but I'm probably not going to run it, but other than a B camera, because I can't run at the settings I like because it's still old. I didn't know it was that old. But anyways, that's besides the point. Let me show you. As you can see on the Airflite helmets, with the cheek pad, they have this plastic right here. It's not like the other ones, like I'll show you on my variant here, where there's a gap where you can slide the clamps through. Which I wish they did, because it sucks. I can't use the clamp, and I prefer to use the clamp over than the sticky. But anyways, but as you see, it's solid here. And if you use the clamp, you're gonna have to, well, we'll show you on this one, to get the clamp in there, you're gonna have to cut somewhere in here to allow the clamp to go in. So you're gonna have to cut a pretty big chunk out of there. But I didn't want to cut it like that. I didn't want a giant ass hole in my helmet. So I went the other route with the sticky. Now, with the sticky, you guys see it, you don't have to really cut it if you don't want to with the sticky. But if you want to be able to take your pad out, you're going to have to cut something on it so you're able to get your pad out, slide it out and slide it back in. Because you can take your sticky and give you enough room, which, to be honest, I haven't even tried with this one because this is the second one I had on here. I may have not gave enough room, but you're going to need enough gap. But I'm going to go ahead and pull the pad out now. I need to rerun some wires anyways. I got something, hopefully something special, and hopefully it works. Go ahead and pull that out, and then you'll see there's a tab on this side. If I can get it off. Alright, see, it's got a tab there, and then you got a tab on this side. Alright, see how that came out? Now normally on the cheek pad there's 3 tabs. Tab here, a tab in the center, and a tab over here. To be able to get it off like I did and to slide it back in without cussing and, well, getting it on, you're gonna have, depending on where you put it, which I put mine like in the center spot, you're gonna have to cut that tab off right there to allow it to slide in. If not, you're not gonna be able to take your pads off. And if you're like me, I sweat like a Russian whore on Thanksgiving, and after a while it's pretty heinous in there, and I gotta take the pads out to clean them. And if you want to run wires and adjust things inside your helmet, whatever you run in there, you're gonna have to do it. So that's how I did it, guys. I cut the center one out to allow it to slide back in there, which I'll go ahead and do that now just to show you guys it works, hopefully. Alright, let's see. Take that, slide that up underneath there, take this tab, fold it up, get it in there. Alright, that tab's in there. Have front and back, slide that back. And I'm going to take my, see how it's slid up underneath there? Take the front tab and push it in there, and there you go. It's back on. That's the only way that I know to get the Sena 20S or 20S Evo or any of the other ones with this kind of style on your helmet without cutting a giant ass hole for the clamp to go inside. So it's the sticky, cutting the center tab out. Now if you want it up higher, then I guess I would suggest you just cut that tab, or in the back cut that tab, wherever this is going to be, because that with that tab in that center I would not be able to get it up inside there. Now y'all choose wisely. I thought about it for about 6 hours before I actually cut it. I mean, you can buy replacement pads if you fuck up, but who wants to buy more stuff when it's brand new? And honestly, who wants to cut anything? It's cool design, but that is something I guess they didn't think about when they designed the helmet. So if you want to get this helmet, the Airlift, Icon Airlift, and you want this kind of version, and you want to use the clamp, you have to cut a giant hole. You sticky, you just cut one of the tabs, and you'll be okay. You can't even notice, excuse me, can't even notice that I really cut it. So it's not that big a deal. Now if you remove your Sena completely off and you'll have it on there, then it will sag right there. But see how I have it up here? It holds it up, so no one will ever know but you. And if you're one of those people that's sort of like me, you know things, it kind of aggravates you. But I got over it. So hopefully this helped you guys out. Like I said, if you guys were hoping for something special and all that, I'm sorry. This was just to help some of these people out that have been asking me about mounting their Sena 20Ss and whatnots on their helmet. So that's how I did it, guys. If it helped you out, please drop a comment down there, let me know if it did, your thoughts, and if anybody has any other way of installing this without cutting it at all, let me know. And if you have a video, just go ahead and drop it in the comment section. Feel free, I don't mind. I don't mind, so people can click on it and find out the best way to mount these. Alright guys, thanks for your time. I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking this video out. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If it helped you, hit that like button. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys will know when my excuse me, when my fantastic videos come out, because they're fantastic, goddammit. Yes, they are. Alright guys, for all you guys have been here forever, I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I love each and every one of you mofos. You guys are great. Love you. As always, peace, love, and unicorns. Stevo out.